Now, if you increase the number of dots, you get a complex pattern. Look at this, very complex pattern. Number of dots have increased. Over here, there are few dots. Over here, there are many dots. On different days, you can do different patterns using the same dots. The same dots can be joined differently to create different patterns. Like this. Another pattern. दूसरा रंगोली, दूसरा कॉलम. Different women will draw it differently. Same dots given to different women, they will create different patterns. So the patterns change according to complexity on different days by different people. So what do you see? Different people have different patterns. This is in Chennai, Mylapore. It's the Kolam festival. What is the meaning of this? Every person, all of us, our mind is something like a kolam. हमारा जो मन है वो बिल्कुल इस तरह है. Dots are the data points. The data that is in your mind. All the data, all the information that you have collected from the world. वो जो line है, can you shut the door? From there, there's a lot of noise coming. A lot of excited people outside. So the dots are data points, the information that you possess. Now, how do you join the dots? Every person in this room joins the dots differently. That is your belief system. That line is sutra. That is called a sutra. धागा. जिससे तुम अलग अलग बिंदु को जोड़ते हो एक रंगोली बनाने के लिए. Some people can handle many data. You give them data after data, but they can absorb and transform it into a single column. Some people can't handle it. They say नहीं हमको ज़्यादा information नहीं चाहिए. जितना है उसी से हम सुखी है. Which means I don't want to change the pattern in my head. On different days, the same dots can be joined differently. You can use different sutras to join the same dots. Then you gradually understand the way you look at a situation, the way you look at data, other people look at the same data very differently. तो आप जैसे दुनिया को देखते हो, दूसरा आदमी वैसा नहीं देखता. उसका दृष्टिकोण अलग है. Different people look at the same data point in a different way. Which means they have a different pattern. So in this room there are say 300 people, there are 300 different columns. And all these columns will change tomorrow. Why will they change? Because new data is given. So at the end of this session I try to give you some data, new bindus, new dots. The column will change. New techniques to join the dots. So what happens? Your mind expands. New ways of thinking. So now if I ask which column is better, everybody will say my column is better. मेरा रंगोली अच्छा है, तुम्हारा रंगोली अच्छा नहीं है. My rangoli is good, your rangoli is not good. Exactly in the same way I will say, the way I think about the world, I am right, you are wrong. And that, this is the mind. Imagine if you have got 5,000 people in your company, every person in your room has different column. Now what do we typically say? No, everybody should be aligned in the same way. In other words, only one column allowed in this company. दिमाग नहीं लगाने का, जो बोला है वही करने का. Which means your column is useless. If you want to work for me, work with my column. Learn to join the dots exactly the way I tell you. Now what happens because of that? Your mind starts to contract. Because you stop thinking. You stop opening your mind. Your mind doesn't increase. You think only in one way. One way is the right way. Finish. अटक गए. Growth नहीं होगा. वृद्धि नहीं होगी. You won't grow because your mind has stopped to expand. Because you are not letting new dots, new lines, new patterns come. And you are not appreciating other people's dots. So the purpose of this session is what? The purpose of this session is to find new dots, to find new sutras, new columns, create new patterns in your mind. दुनिया को अलग तरीके से देखो, शायद कुछ मिलेगा. Maybe you learn something. तो दिमाग खोलो. Open your mind. That is the purpose of this session. How to expand the mind. The mind, if it is, अगर विश्वास छोटा है तो व्यापार भी छोटा रहेगा. If your mind is small, your belief systems are small, your patterns are small, your data points are small, your business will also be small. You won't think big. So you will be happy कि बस पूरे 10 करोड़ का बिजनेस है, बस मैं अभी सुखी हूँ. 1000 करोड़ नहीं सोचोगे, 10,000 करोड़ नहीं सोचोगे, क्योंकि इच्छा है लेकिन क्षमता नहीं है. क्षमता क्यों नहीं? Because your mind has not expanded. So if you want to grow in life, you have to expand your mind. And therefore, I invite you to expand your mind. That's the purpose of this session.